Hello friends, in this video we will explain the meaning of pandemic, epidemic, outbreak, endemic and sporadic. We will show how each of these terms is different from the other. First comes the term sporadic. Sporadic means occurring occasionally or at irregular intervals of time or only in a few geographical places. Sporadic means a disease occurring in a scattered or isolated manner. Sporadic diseases are seen only occasionally and usually without geographic concentration. Let's consider a country and represent it with a circle. This country will have many population centers and let's represent them with blue triangles. Let's say in year 1 there is no incident of a disease. In year 2, let's say we see an isolated case of the disease which is limited to just a few people in a population center. Then we call it as a sporadic occurrence of that disease. It may so happen that there is no incident of this disease in year 3. Examples of sporadic disease in the USA include tetanus, rabies and plague. The bacteria which causes tetanus is present in soil in the US. However, incidents of tetanus infection in humans occur rarely and in scattered locations because most individuals are vaccinated and they clean their wounds properly. It's only in rare situations that a wound may cause tetanus infection in humans. Similarly, in the US, there are a few sporadic cases of plague, usually contracted from rodents. Next comes the word endemic. This is something that belongs to a particular people or population. It means natural to, native to, confined to, or widespread only within a place or population of people. Endemic disease refers to the constant presence or usual prevalence of a disease, generally at a low level, in a population within the confines of a geographic region. For example, malaria is endemic to some regions of Brazil, but is not endemic to the United States. There is a related term called as hyperendemic, which means persistent high levels of disease in the region. An outbreak is a more than expected increase in the number of endemic cases. An outbreak can also be a single case in a new geographical area. Note that an outbreak has the same definition as that of epidemic, but an outbreak is used for a limited geographical area. If an outbreak is not quickly controlled, it may become an epidemic very easily. For example, in 2019, there was an outbreak of dengue fever in Hawaii, USA. Dengue is not endemic to Hawaii. It is believed that an infected person visited Hawaii, where he was bitten by mosquitoes. The mosquitoes then bit other humans and transferred the dengue disease. And this chain reaction led to the dengue outbreak in Hawaii. Next term is epidemic. Epidemic refers to a generally sudden increase in number of cases of a disease above the normally expected level within a community, population or region. Note that an outbreak and epidemic are similar, except that an outbreak is used for a limited geographical area. For example, the rise in obesity globally is frequently described as an obesity epidemic. Influenza is another example of a common epidemic disease. In Northern Hemisphere, influenza incidents tend to rise each winter. These seasonal increases are expected and cannot be called as influenza epidemic every winter. However, in some regions, some winters may have unusually large number of seasonal influenza cases. Such situations would qualify as influenza epidemics. Epidemics can follow predictable patterns and these trends are often used for monitoring, predicting and controlling the spread of infection. Note that an epidemic signals the breakdown of an equilibrium in disease frequency, which often results from some kind of change in environmental conditions or in the population. Epidemic threshold is the critical number or density of susceptible hosts required for an epidemic to occur. Epidemic threshold is used for confirming the emergence of an epidemic to help step up appropriate control measures. The last term is pandemic. A pandemic corresponds to an epidemic that has spread over multiple countries or continents and usually affects a large number of people. For example, HIV/AIDS is a pandemic disease. Also, when COVID-19 disease was limited to Wuhan in China, it was an epidemic. Its geographical spread across countries turned it into a pandemic. Note that there is another term called cluster. Cluster refers to an aggregation of cases grouped in a place and time that are suspected to be greater than the number expected, even though the expected number may not be known. Prefix epi means on or upon, and the prefix pan means all. To remember the distinction between pandemic and epidemic, remember that letter P in pandemic stands for passport, as if epidemic has used its passport to travel across the countries and become pandemic. Normal levels of disease in a given region refers to endemic. However, epidemic is when the number of those infected in that region is significantly higher than the normal. Remember that an endemic can lead to an outbreak when numbers increase beyond normal. Also note that an outbreak can happen anywhere.